Good morning, all dear students. Today we will be discuss on topic schedule and cuisine. Schedule and cuisine. Some people are distinction is made and both I mean are the same thing but not same. Schedule and cuisine are very different. Today we will be discuss on this topic. All students are requested to note the important note of this e-content and watch the video at the end. Let's start. In primary investigation, the necessary data are collected by means of schedules to be filled in either by the informants or with the help of enumerators. With the help of enumerators. Some people make difference in schedules and cuisine. According to them, schedule is a list of questions. Schedule is a list of questions. List of questions. That means schedule. According to them, schedule is a list of questions to informants. On the contrary, cuisine is filled in by the informants themselves. But in practice, no such distinction is made and both means the same thing. Both mean the same thing. This is schedule and cuisine. Next slide discuss on a good cuisine. You know, a good cuisine is very helpful for collection of data for future research. Merits of a good cuisine. The success of survey through cuisine depends up to the quality and merit of cuisine. Quality and merit of cuisine depend. The following area the points in generally which should be kept in mind while designing cuisine. While designing cuisine. Number 1, less questions. The number of questions will be restricted to the minimum. The number of questions be restricted to the minimum, but the number of questions should not be so small, that the requirement information is not gathered. Number 1, merit. Number 2, easy and clear. The number of questions should be easy and clear. Questions are easy and clear. They should not be long. If respondents do not understand questions, they will be not able to reply correctly. Hence, as far as possible, unpopular and complex word. As far as possible, unpopular and complex word. Non-respectable words like servant. Uncertain words like probably, often, sometime should not be used. Brevity. Questions should be answerable in yes or no, or any behalf word in figures. Type of question: multiple choice questions. All possible answers are written in font of such question, and the respond is supposed to tick the correct answer. For example, like a separate box should be made for each of the above status, so that for correct answer, concerned box be ticked and the info is properly computerized. Number 5, cross-check answer or corroborating questions. Corroborating questions. The questionnaire should be contain such question which verified the answer. Enter C. Directly related to investigation. Only such question which related directly to investigation should be included, so as to save time, money and labor. Logical arrangement. Questions should be arranged in a suitable logical order, and they must be relate to each other. Instruction: clear, behalf and specific instruction should be given to and 4 months for filling the questionnaire, so that proper guides is provided to them. Pre-testing and amendments. On preparing the questionnaire, it should be sent to a selective group of response to text the requirement of an inquiry, and if required, necessary amendment be made in questionnaire. All merit are of a good questionnaire. Next, format of questionnaire. Inquiry in cost of living. Inquiry of cost of living. First part, generally क्या हो, name of head of family, full address, profession, business, employed, dependently employed, employee, any other, industry, place of residence, separate house, unfinished. Second part, family composite. Head of family, male, female or total, wife, dependent, child 0 to 5 year, 5 to 15, 50 and above, independent childs and other persons. Third part, family income. Head, main business, other business, wife incomes earned and other earned. Income from investment, income from house property, and other income, casual or not recurring items. You are this details study in BCom part second year, book of income tax, part of third part. This survey of cost of living. Family expenditure, foods item, wheat, rice, pools, oils, other, fuel, allied, house rent, health, entertainment, and other item, casually and not recurring, clarify. And last part of saving or deficit. Saving, how used, deficit, how recovered. This format of questionnaire. For collection of data of inquiry of cost of living. This format is very important. This format of collection of data. If saving, details. If deficient is depend. How recover, how to use. Saving is saving, how to use in saving. Next, and deficient, how to recover. This answer may be in research. Thank you very much.